Hello. It can be really challenging to identify a search string in your Excel list because it is spelled differently over there. Haven't you wished that VLOOKUPs must identify all entries in your Excel list so long as they sound like your search string regardless of how they are spelled? Hi, I am CA Nikunj Shah, and today I shall share with you how fuzzy lookups can be used to go beyond the limitations of VLOOKUPs and identify all entries in an Excel list that sound like your search string. In January 2020, we were executing an engagement in the Middle East where we needed to identify and zero down on one Mr. Muhammad Ali, an employee who was suspected of some wrongdoing. With Excel VLOOKUPs, this shouldn't be difficult, we thought. And then we were handed over the list of employees. We noticed that there were several employees with the name Muhammad. Not only this, the word Muhammad was spelled in several different ways. VLOOKUPs won't work, we soon realized. To be able to zero down on the right Muhammad Ali, we must first identify all employees with that name, regardless of the spelling, as long as their name sounds like Muhammad Ali. The secret to do this efficiently is to use add-in called Fuzzy Lookup by Microsoft. I have shared the download link in the description below this video. Once the add-in is installed, the first step is to set up your data. You do this by creating two tables. A table for the search string on the left side and a table for the employee details where you wish to search on the right side. Now run the add-in. In the fuzzy lookup dialog box that appears, select the search string table, that is table 1, as the left table, and the employee details table, that is table 2, as the right table. In the third step, select the columns search string and full name. Now click the center button to create a fuzzy join between them. In the fourth step, review the columns that you need in the results. In the fifth step, select the maximum number of matches you want the fuzzy lookup to identify and report in the results. You are almost through. Select a cell on the worksheet where you wish the results to be displayed and select Go. Wait a moment for Excel to process and report the results. Wow! Notice that you have been able to identify 10 employees whose name sounds like Muhammad Ali, regardless of the spelling. The column similarity states the similarity index factor, adding valuable insight. You can use fuzzy lookups to dedupe vendor master and inventory master, check related parties against vendor master, or simply fuzzy lookup addresses from employee master to vendor master. Fuzzy lookups surely sound like success. Namaste and thank you.